Banana pancakes is on a bill of fare today. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and we do easy cooking recipes here. If you are interested, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is actually free. Thank you so much. Now I have with me here my 4 bananas. Okay, I will just go behind camera and then go and peel everything and then we will blend it. Okay, now I have with me here my 6 eggs, so we are going to use these eggs as well. In my mixing bowl, I'm just going to break everything and then we can continue. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my videos. I do appreciate it. I don't take it for granted, and please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. It is totally free everywhere. Okay. Thank you so much. So I am done mixing everything, and as you can see, it looks very uniform. So I'm just going to add my bananas to it. Okay, I'll add the bananas and then mix it very well. Thank you so much. So you can just go ahead and add some lemon juice to it so that it does not become that dark. Okay, but hey, this is for my little girl, so I'm not going to add any lemon juice to it. Okay, yes, the dad said I shouldn't be giving her lemon, so I've added my 4 cups of plant-based milk. You can use any milk of your choice. I'll go ahead and add my vanilla. That vanilla, we will talk about it. That is my ginger extract. I'll add my nutmeg. Okay, that vanilla does not have that nice vanilla smell. Oh, I had to say fake vanilla extract. No. So when I'm using it, I pour it anyhow. Now I've added my butter to it. That is my 4 tablespoons of butter. Okay, I melted, and I'll go ahead and then add my 6 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use soft flour, you can use plain flour, and you are good to go. Mix it very well until it becomes smooth and uniform before we can continue, before we can add any other ingredients, or we can do whatever thing we want to do. Okay, if you are still with me, thank you so much. I do appreciate your time here. Okay, now go ahead and add my sugar. I was wondering, I thought all sugar, the sugar we have, they are all plant-based, but I saw this and they said vegan, so I was confused. Educate me if you know something about that. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add my 1 cup of sugar, and that is it. Mix it very well, okay, till the sugar becomes dissolved in the butter. Okay, so mix it very well. So educate me about the sugar. I thought all sugar is vegan, but I saw this and they said vegan. I was confused. So now we are done mixing it, and just look at that, so smooth, but we can see some things there. Don't worry, we are just going to make sure it becomes smooth before we continue frying it. Okay, thank you so much. So after you are done mixing everything, I have my oil here. That is what we are going to use to fry our pancakes, and trust me, you will love the end results. This was so delicious, and oh my goodness. So we'll go ahead and then fry it. So this is what we got. You can see it is very smooth, and we are just going to wait for a while. Okay, now flip it to the other side and just look at that. So delicious. Try this recipe and let me know the outcome. I will be very happy to hear from you. Flip it, and then we are good to go. So I come your way next time. Always remember, this is very important to me. One day I will tell you a story. Okay, remember to take good care of yourself and love yourself first. I will tell you the reason I always say love yourself first. It is very important. Love yourself first, because the people you overthink about So love yourself first and eat healthy. It doesn't mean don't think about someone, but love yourself first. See you in the next one. Bye bye.